G'day everyone, Connor here from CW's Tech Reviews, back with another video. Today we're doing a quick unboxing and first impressions of the JBL Reflect Minis version 2. So without further ado, let's get stuck into the video. Let's go. Alrighty, so here we go. Nice packaging, definitely smaller. Now the first thing I should say to you is, I did have the original JBL Reflect Minis, and these are fantastic. They still actually work. US dollars for these I think are around $90. In Australia I got it for $127, and that included a 3-year warranty, so pretty good deal. So let's see what we have in the box. Now one of the things that I do like about the box is the presentation. It shows you from the top down, just like so, what you have inside the box. So your earpiece and your controller. But then also from the side, it shows you all your wingtips and your different sized wingtips, as you can see there. Which I think is pretty cool. So in the box, we get an instruction booklet, Reflect Mini 2, put that aside. We also get quite a nice pouch. And there is the device itself. I like that, nice rubbery little pouch with a charging cable inside it as well. Orange in colour, that's the JBL colour. And then your lime green headphones. And here is your wingtips. Now I generally go for the medium size, they tend to fit me the best. We'll put all this aside. I do like the look of it. Now it looks like we already have the medium tips on here, so I'm going to just go ahead and try these straight on. For me it's nice and easy. Insert and twist. Now let's put the cable behind me, insert, and twist. Now I can feel already that they are not going to fall out. They actually feel more secure than these ones did. Charging cable, as I said, matches the JBL colour, comes with the box. There we go. Now, got my trusty old Nokia 7 Plus, my most favourite device at the moment. We're going to see, so it's normally hold down the power button until it goes into pairing mode. So we're going to try that. Hold down the power button. Should see a light come on here. Blue light, and then red and blue light shows that you're in pairing mode. And pair new device. JBL Reflect Mini 2, select. Connected, battery 100%, that's what I want to hear. Now, I'm going to go for, I do a lot of exercise this week. I've got a couple of big runs on. So I'm going to do a proper full review on these. I think they justify it because they're a good product. Now initially the JBL Reflect Minis, the originals, cost about $40 more at launch than the JBL Reflect Mini 2. So that's a good sign. Here we go for a bit of a sound test. You won't hear it, otherwise I'll get kicked off YouTube. So I've got to tell you, they sound great. A full review coming up. Give me about a week to fully put it to the test. I think we've got some rain due. Like I said, I'm going to go on a couple of big runs, do some workouts, that sort of thing. So I will definitely give you a complete review on the JBL Reflect Mini 2s. Let me know what you think. Hit the like button and the subscribe button. Comment down below. Thank you for watching my video, and I will catch you in the next video. Check ya!